Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the enigmatic world of one of history's greatest minds, Nikola Tesla. Our focus: the mystical and powerful code he held dear, known as Tesla 369. This divine sequence, 3, 6, and 9, is more than just numbers to Tesla. It is a key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Try Nikola Tesla's Divine Code 369 for 30, 60, or 90 seconds and watch what happens next. But one step at a time. Join me as we delve into the profound significance of Tesla's obsession with 369, exploring its manifestation potential, its mathematical magic, and the spiritual dimensions that echo through the fabric of reality. Get ready to witness the unveiling of the mysteries that lie within the sacred numbers of 3, 6, and 9. Let the journey into the heart of Nikola Tesla's Divine Code begin. In Tesla's world, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 weren't just mathematical entities. They held the key to a realm of manifestation. Tesla saw these numbers as a powerful code capable of shaping reality. By understanding and applying the divine sequence, he believed one could unlock the true potential of manifestation. Imagine a life where your intentions become tangible realities, where dreams materialize effortlessly. Tesla's fascination with 369 lay in its ability to serve as a conduit between thought and manifestation. As we explore his perspective, we'll witness the profound impact this code can have on our daily lives. From career success to personal growth, Tesla's code promises a transformative journey. Now, let's dive into the profound concept that Tesla held dear: the belief that the very essence of the universe is concealed within the mathematical sequence of 3, 6, and 9. According to Tesla, these numbers were not arbitrary. They were the fundamental building blocks of the cosmos. Picture the universe as a grand mathematical equation, where every celestial dance is choreographed by the divine order of 3, 6, and 9. Nikola Tesla's fascination with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 has been the subject of much speculation, and various interpretations, including spiritual and mystical ones, have emerged over time. From a mystic perspective, these numbers are often associated with sacred geometry, numerology, and esoteric symbolism. In many mystical traditions, the number 3 is seen as a symbol of unity, harmony, and balance. It represents the triad, the fundamental building block of creation, embodying the synthesis of opposites. The number 6 is often associated with balance and equilibrium, representing the harmony between the spiritual and material realms. Together, 3 and 6 create a powerful dynamic, suggesting the interplay between the divine and the earthly. Now, when we come to the number 9, mystics often consider it a profoundly spiritual number, embodying completion and divine wisdom. In some belief systems, it is seen as the number of cosmic consciousness and enlightenment. Tesla, it is said, believed that understanding the secrets of 3, 6, and 9 would unlock the mysteries of the universe. Some mystics propose that Tesla's fascination with these numbers may have roots in his quest for a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. According to popular legend, Tesla is quoted as saying, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." This enigmatic statement has fueled speculation about the mystical significance he attributed to these numbers. Some theorists suggest that these numbers hold significance in higher dimensional realms, acting as keys to unlock hidden truths about the nature of reality. In sacred geometry, patterns related to these numbers can be found, suggesting a universal order that extends beyond our immediate perception. Some see them as patterns in the fabric of the universe, while others view them as archetypal symbols that resonate with the collective unconscious. Ultimately, the exploration of these metaphysical concepts invites us to ponder the mysteries of existence and to seek connections between the seen and the unseen. It's a journey of curiosity and reflection, allowing us to tap into the profound and interconnected nature of the cosmos. As you contemplate these ideas, let your intuition guide you and find your own meaning within the mystery of these numbers. Nikola Tesla, the brilliant inventor and visionary, is often associated with the mystique of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He once remarked, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." This cryptic statement has intrigued minds and sparked speculation about the deeper meanings behind these numbers. Tesla, a pioneer in the field of electricity and electromagnetic research, had a profound appreciation for numerical patterns and believed that these specific numbers held a special significance in the fabric of the cosmos. Some enthusiasts of Tesla's work have delved into the idea that the sequence 3, 6, and 9 may be the key to unlocking hidden truths about the nature of reality. In various esoteric traditions, the number 3 is often associated with unity and balance, reflecting the Trinity, or the coming together of opposing forces. The number 6 is seen as a symbol of equilibrium, signifying the harmonious integration of polarities. And finally, the number 9 is considered a powerful and transformative number, associated with completion and spiritual enlightenment. In Tesla's experiments and theories, the recurrence of these numbers became more than just a numerical pattern. It became a philosophical and metaphysical concept. Some enthusiasts even propose that Tesla's work with 3, 6, and 9 may hold the key to tapping into higher dimensional realms or understanding the fundamental principles that govern the universe. As we explore these intriguing connections between Tesla and the numbers 3, 6, and 9, it's essential to approach the topic with a sense of wonder and an open mind. The mysteries that surround these ideas invite us to consider the profound interplay between science, spirituality, and the hidden dimensions of reality. The fascination with the number 9 and its perceived ability to hold a special place in the cosmic order is indeed captivating. In various esoteric and spiritual traditions, the number 9 is often regarded as a symbol of completion, unity, and spiritual enlightenment. Let's delve into its significance, exploring the idea of 9 as the controller of all other numbers and its alleged influence over space and time. In numerology, the number 9 is unique because when you add it to any other number, the result reduces back to the original number. For example, 9 plus 3 equals 12, and 1 plus 2 equals 3. This cyclical nature has led some to see the number 9 as a symbol of eternal cycles and completion. The concept of 9 as the controller of all other numbers draws parallels to the idea of the Enneagram, a geometric figure that maps out the relationships between different personality types. Each point on the Enneagram represents a specific personality type, and interestingly, the lines connecting these points form a pattern that involves the number 9 at its center. This central position symbolizes a unifying force that influences and connects all the other points. In terms of space and time, some theorists suggest that the repetition of the number 9 in various mathematical patterns may hold clues to the fundamental structure of the universe. Whether in sacred geometry or in the study of cosmic proportions, the recurrence of 9 is seen by some as a key to understanding the underlying fabric of space and time. While these ideas might stretch the boundaries of conventional scientific understanding, they serve as a reminder that our exploration of the universe involves not only empirical observation, but also a sense of wonder and a willingness to entertain unconventional perspectives. The notion of 9 as a controller of all other numbers invites us to contemplate the mysteries of existence and consider the possibility of hidden connections that transcend our everyday understanding of reality. What are your thoughts on the mystical significance of the number 9 in the context of controlling space and time? Let's create a manifestation exercise incorporating the mystique of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. This practice combines the power of affirmations, repetition, and visualization to align your thoughts and feelings with your desired reality. Let's call it the 369 Manifestation Journey. Step 1. Set your affirmations. Choose 3 affirmations that resonate deeply with your desires. Ensure that they are positive, present tense, and reflect the reality you wish to manifest. Here's an example. I am filled with boundless energy and vitality. Abundance flows effortlessly into every area of my life. Love surrounds me, and I attract positive, fulfilling relationships. Step 2. Daily practice 6 times a day. Set aside specific moments throughout your day to engage in this manifestation exercise. Repeat each affirmation 6 times during each session. Find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Step 3. 9 seconds each. As you repeat each affirmation, do so for exactly 9 seconds. Let each repetition be deliberate and filled with intention. Feel the words as if they are already true. Engage your senses and immerse yourself in the emotions associated with the manifested reality. Step 4. Loud and vibrant. Speak the affirmations aloud with enthusiasm and conviction. Let the sound of your voice resonate with confidence. This adds an extra layer of energy to your manifestation. Step 5. Visualization. As you say each affirmation, visualize the details of the desired reality. Picture yourself living it, experiencing it, and feeling the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Visualization enhances the power of your affirmations. Step 6. Consistency for 9 days. Commit to this practice for 9 consecutive days. Consistency is key in the manifestation process. By engaging in this exercise daily, you are reinforcing the positive energy and intention behind your affirmations. Remember, the essence of this manifestation journey lies in your belief, focus, and dedication. Embrace the process with an open heart and trust that the universe is working in alignment with your intentions. Enjoy your 369 manifestation journey, and may it bring you closer to the reality you seek. Dear seeker of manifestation and architect of dreams, you stand at the intersection of possibility and reality, armed with the sacred knowledge embedded in the Tesla Code 369. As Nikola Tesla once whispered to the universe, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." Enter the realm of the 369 manifestation method, a dance with the cosmic forces where intention meets frequency and dreams converge with reality. Like a secret code woven into the fabric of creation, 369 beckons you to unlock the door to your heart's desires. In the symphony of manifestation, the law of attraction is your guiding melody. As you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the harmonious vibrations of your desires, you become a co-creator of your own destiny. The 369 method is not merely a ritual. It is a journey of transformation, a pilgrimage into the sacred space where your intentions take root and bloom. Nikola Tesla, the visionary architect of the modern age, left breadcrumbs of wisdom in the form of 369. Dive into the vortex of his insights, where the Divine Code 369 intertwines with the dance of vortex math. In this sacred geometry, find the blueprint for manifesting with precision, where every thought, every repetition, and every visualization is a stroke on the canvas of your reality. Embrace the Tesla Secret Code 369 as your guide, whispering to the universe your deepest desires and visions. Let the frequencies of 3, 6, and 9 resonate within you, harmonizing with a cosmic dance that surrounds us all. As you follow this path, know that you are not just a participant, but a conductor of the grand orchestra of creation. So, dear manifestor, claim your role as the weaver of dreams into reality. Embrace the law of attraction as your ally. Dance with the Tesla Code 369, and let the universe respond to your intentional rhythm. Manifest whatever you want with the knowledge that you are a co-creator, shaping your destiny with the magic of 3, 6, and 9. The power is within you. The universe eagerly awaits your command. How will you paint the masterpiece of your life? The canvas is yours, and the possibilities are limitless. Manifest on, dear dreamer, manifest on. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.